Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit card with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your credit card with Discover, begin by visiting the official Discover website. Sign into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the option to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Services section. Look for the Verify Your Card option and click on it. Follow the prompts provided to enter your credit card information. This may include your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. After entering your details, click the Submit button. You may be asked to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your registered email or phone number. Check your email or text messages for the code. Enter the code into the designated field on the website. Once entered, click on Verify to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been verified. If you encounter any issues during the verification process, contact Discover Customer Service for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any problems you may face. Verifying your card ensures enhanced security for your account. Follow these steps to enjoy seamless transactions with your Discover credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.